Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Today I'm going to be doing a tabas squishy haul. I did open the package already, but I got this entire package from Facebook Marketplace. It was like a mystery, like random pieces of like different tabas. So yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below if you haven't already. But yeah, let's just get into it. Look how cute the packaging is already though. So this is what the package looks like on the inside. There's a bunch of fun goodies, so we're going to look through them one by one. But yeah. So this is, I believe, was a freebie, yeah, a free gift. And I already opened the package, but in here it just comes with a bunch of like different of the tabas squishy packages, just in case like one breaks or something. And then it also comes with these really cute deco pieces. So there's this one, and this one. Super cute. The next thing are these just two sticker packs. This one has like little cats, and there's also this one. Next free gift was this huge bag of charms. So there's like a variety of different charms in here. I don't know what I should do with these charms. Here are just some of them. They're super cute. And honestly, it's super realistic looking. In here is also some sprinkles and just some other like little fun charms. We also got this whiteout tape, I believe, which is really useful. And then some washi tape with little like animals on them. We also got these like tongs. So I forgot to show these two as free gifts, but there's this one. And then also this banana. So now with the actual main tabas that we bought, here's the first one, this little cat. Super soft. Next is this little milk print onigiri. This piece of salmon. A little cocoa melon head with this really cute charm. Next we have 4 of these little rectangle tabas. Let's go through one by one. First we have this cat. Next we have this one with a little bunny and a palm tree, a lollipop charm. Next we have Pooh with a little sunflower. And then next we have this one with a little popsicle charm. Next we have little Hello Kitty ab toast. Next we have this little paw. Next we have this little toast, I believe, and it comes with a little cute charm. this baguette. We have another pop. This one is flopped. We have this meringue, I believe. And then last one, finally, we have this, I believe, flan or some type of like dessert. Has strawberries. But yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I will put down below the seller that I bought this from if you guys are interested. But yeah, guys, bye.